Hello and welcome to Simon's Simple English. Today we're going to talk about interjections. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe not. Don't worry, we're going to go through what they are and how you can use them in the future. These are words that show a strong emotion or excitement. Can you bear with me 1 second? I just want to take a quick drink of my cup of tea because I've been talking for a long time and I've got a dry throat. Ow! That's hot. I'm sorry, I should be more professional. Actually, when I said, ow, that's hot, that's an interjection. Ow, that's hot. I could have said, oh, that's hot, or ouch, that's hot. They would all be interjections. Let me just have a quick drink. Yum, that's delicious. I did it again. I could have said, oh, that's delicious, or that's delicious, but I said yum. That's delicious. So interjections show strong feeling or emotion. These are words like, hooray, you did it. Hooray, you won the race. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry that you lost the race. Darn, my car won't start. Drat, my car won't start. Yuck, this tastes terrible. Yuck, this drink is terrible. An interjection is set apart from the rest of the sentence. So it's not really a part of the sentence. And it's set apart by an exclamation mark like this, or by a comma like this. For example, darn, my car won't start. Or darn, my car won't start. Usually we'll use an exclamation mark when it's a stronger emotion or feeling. We'll use a comma when the feeling or emotion is not so strong. Now it's your turn. I want you to write in the comments below your sentence with an interjection. Interjections also come mainly at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so write in the comments below your sentence with your interjection. Thanks very much for joining me. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Good luck with your English journey, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.